Hello, welcome to lesson 9. Just to build on from the last lesson, if you remember, we had the enemy would hit us. When they hit us, each time 25% of our health went, and then we died. That was a good feature for the game. And then to prove the concept, I just dropped in 4 enemies into our game. But of course, when I went to play the game, when I shot the enemy, it instantly restarted. So I shoot him, the game pauses and then restarts. So each time we shoot somebody, it restarts. So we need to edit the game very slightly. So what I'm going to do is make some changes. I'm going to delete these characters out. Where are we? I'm going to delete the characters out of the game, and I'm going to make some duplicates of our enemies. So we got enemy 1, so I can duplicate, and we can have, let's have a look, we can have enemy, well, we'll leave it as enemy 2, but I need to make a slight change to enemy 2. This was when he chases and hits us. This was when he detects us. This is when we shoot him. So probably I should have said shoot the enemy. So shoot the enemy, death with sounds. Only problem is we've got open level there. We don't want to do that, so I'm just going to simply delete that one. So by deleting that one, I can just destroy the actor. So that's good. So I might as well duplicate that one now I've made that change. So that's enemy 3, and I can duplicate it again. Oh, duplicated it. This one again. So enemy 4. So enemy 2, 3, and 4 simply. In fact, I didn't even need to do that. I can delete those ones. And I've just made a change to enemy 2 so it doesn't jump to the next level. So all I need to do now is make a few changes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move our character from there. This is, I'll just delete it, it's easier than moving it. I'm going to put enemy 1 into our game, and I'm going to put him in the far corner there. So let's move over. So I'm going to put enemy 1 in here, and I'm going to rotate him around. And if you remember, the thing about enemy 1 is when enemy 1 sees me, he's got to change level or restart level. So and then we can reuse the same character now. So enemy 2 will be just put in the game there, and I'll do the same as last time. He'll see me. If we zoom out, you can see he'll see me pretty much straight away. I'll put another enemy in the corner here. He'll see me as I come around the corner perhaps, and I'll put one more enemy, and I'll just put another enemy there. I just realised which enemy did I put in. Let's have a look. Well, we'll play the game, see what happens. So he'll see me, I can shoot him, and he's gone, and I haven't restarted the level. He should see me. He's gone, the level's not restarted. He's gone, and now, oh, so it looks like I restarted the level. So I think I put the wrong character into, I think he was the wrong one there, by the sounds of it. So if I delete him, I put in enemy 2 there, spin him around. Is he up in the air, or is he in a good spot? move him forward a little bit. Okay, let's play the game. Let's try it again. So I shoot the first character. And yeah, we're still on the level, and he's gone. He's gone. We're still on the same level. So now this is the last one where I will restart him, and now the game restarts with so that's pretty much adding complexity to the game. One thing I wanted to show you, now that we've added those enemies in, enemy 2 is the, or enemy 1 rather, is the enemy that changes level. Enemy 2 just stands there. One thing I did notice was there is a delay, isn't there, of 1 second. Let's just change that to 0.05 now, just to tidy things up. We'll compile that and close it, and then we'll do the same for enemy 2. 0.05. So he'll go straight after shooting him. The last thing I wanted to show you was just to how you would skip another level, really. So we'd need to go to content, and we'd need to go to, we're in a first person map, so there's level 1. If I press Control and C, and then I do Control and V, give it a second and it'll appear in the area here. It's got level 1/2. I can rename that now. I'll call it level 2. Just something to watch out for is I'm still in, even though I've copied that map, I'm still in level 1 map. So if I go to the level 2 map now, and I save selected, just as a proof of concept really, I'll rename that to be level 2. I'll change the color to blue, and what we'll do is I'll move this character so somewhat different in the game. So where will I move him to? There's a one in red in the corner there, so I'll move him behind these boxes, and then I'll rotate him around. So he's just an ordinary character that won't see me, but if you remember, in our game we've got in the corner here, this is the guy that changes the level of the map. So when I shoot him, I want to restart the level. So and he's already actually set to level 1. So let's go to content, and what I'll do is I'll go to third person blueprints. I'm going to delete this guy. We're in level 2. If I go to enemy 1, which is the one that changes, and I duplicate, I can call this one enemy 3, give it a meaningful name. I'm going to call it enemy 3, and I'm going to call it back to level 1. Okay, so if we look at him, when we kill him, he goes to level 1, or when he kills us, just zoom in, or we just destroy that. When he runs us, he destroys us, so it goes back to level 1. Okay, so I can save that. So that's our level, that's in level 2. So I've put that guy in. So I'll put him in here. Oops. So I'll put him in the corner there. And when we shoot him, he'll take us back to level 1. So let me save that map. And now I need to go back to the level 1 map, and make a quick change to enemy number 2, or back to level. He's the back to level 1 character, isn't he? What did I call it? Yeah, back to level 1. Okay, so now I need to go to content, and I need to go to first person. No, I don't. I need to go first person blueprint maps. I need to go to the level 1 map, and where are we in this map? He's in the far corner. Okay, so we've got our character there. So if I go to content, third person, blueprints, I've got enemy 1, haven't I? I'll rename enemy 1 to so go to level 2. So I'll just edit him very quickly. Straightforward one. Let's change that to level 2. Okay, so save that. Okay, so we've now got a game, not the hardest game, but we've now got a game where if I go to play it, so it should be, first thing I need to check, I'm in level 1. Okay, he's coming. Lost some health, but he's gone. So there's 2 of the enemy gone. Was there another one here? He's gone. Now, when I hit him, we should jump to level 2. I didn't get him in time. I waited too long. Let's play again. Okay, so let's take him out. He's gone. And now go to level 2. So when I look at this, 1. So I should have level 2 written on the ground somewhere. There it is. There it is. Okay, I've been hit again. So now, when I hit the next guy, I should go to level 1 again. It'll be personal corner. Okay, I think the 0.5 is too long. Gone. I'm in level 1. There's one around the corner. Okay, okay, and I've now gone to level 2. He hits me. I'm down to 75, down to 50. 0, and the last one gets me. I'm gone, and the game is over. That's pretty much it. Everything seems to be sorted. We've got the basics of the game there. Perhaps next time we'll look at adding in a new map, and perhaps adding some more features to our character. I think I'd like to put in a sprint and a crouch next, and then perhaps we can start looking at some different maps. Thank you very much.